Stupid crack! Ah! What a fall. Oh. The crack.
Oh, you hit the crack and
The fucking crack. I called it. I even fucking like said it in my mind. I was like, oh fuck, crack. And right when I stepped on it.
the crack of death. Lost the front.
Yeah. It's on GoPro, I hope.
We've all hit it.
It looks fine.
I hit it. I haven't crashed on it, but I hit it. And then add like a
Fuck, man.
Alright?
I'm good. What a trooper though. It's like nothing happened.
The mini.
Oh, it's slightly bent, huh? It's all good.
It's not bad, you just gotta tweak it back.
Oh, okay. Ooh, that hurt.